Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about products that help heal our hair. I feel like since coloring and processing has been a thing for our hair, healing it has always been a priority, I feel, foremost. I feel like now that a lot of us are still either working from home or at home for indefinite amount of time, I do think that we are really taking it into our own hands to beautify our hair, not just with color, not just with cuts, but I also think it's a great time to really hydrate and heal your hair, and since you don't have to put as much heat in it. So with that, today I'm going to be bringing you the best products to heal your hair. I also have one, maybe two products that I feel are not good for healing your hair, so let's get started. Alright, so just quickly before we get started, since I, in my last video, announced that I have made the very difficult decision of closing down the salon, I just wanted to thank you guys for the loving messages that I've gotten from you, and it really does mean so much. So the reason why I'm also mentioning that is there is one line in here that during this really difficult time for hairdressers created a link that not only gave you a discount but gave us a kickback. And not a lot of professional hair brands do that. So basically every brand in here is either a brand that I've worked closely with, have used intensely at the salon, or myself daily. They're also amazing brands in that they have supported hairdressers so much during this difficult time. Alright, so the first product that I'm starting off with is Unite's Reunite treatment. I love their packaging and their names, and everything is just so clear. I don't think I've ever really seen a pro salon hair brand that is just so easy to identify. I feel like I've worked with a lot of brands that I think the products are great, but the clients will like literally look at your shelf and they're like, wait, I need a shine product. And it's not clear to them, I can tell. And I feel like with Unite, they do a very good job about that. Also, their website is super easy and fun to shop, maybe just because I'm a hairdresser, but they have like little demo videos for each product and they have like a quick description of what the product does. It's good at repairing and recovering the hair. So this is great for anyone that has dryness due to bleaching, coloring, or any processing of the hair, which, let's be honest, that's a lot of us. So just super easy. Once you're out of the shower, towel dry the hair and apply a tiny dab from roots to end. I love products like that to keep it simple and easy. All right, the next product is Olaplex's number 5, and that is the conditioner. As you can see, it was upside down in my shower and it's nearly empty. This is my go-to conditioner for probably the last 2 to 3 months. I absolutely love the way this smells. I love the way it finishes my hair after I've gotten a good cleanse on it. You guys know Olaplex, they're all about strengthening and repairing the hair. I also use their shampoo, but I kind of feel like the shampoo is incredible, but I feel like it's with the conditioner that you really bring that reinforcement of strength to the hair. This next one isn't necessarily marketed as a strengthening product, but I had to include it for the simple fact of, since I've been doing virtual consultations now from home, I hear so many people saying my hair was brassy, so I toned my hair with an actual color. So meaning color that has lift. It was mixed with a developer. And then they're like, well, it still wasn't the right color, so then I did it again. So even if they were using only like 20 volume twice is a lot on the hair. And a lot of times when I see, their results, it's still not a beautiful tone. And I can't tell you the amount of times per week I suggest, oh my gosh, use a purple shampoo instead. And that is why I wanted to include the FANOLA No Yellow shampoo. A, because it is already a very hydrating purple shampoo, which is not normally the case. Normally purple shampoos can be a little bit drying on the hair. Now this one is not, and on top of that, if you can prevent using a non-necessary toner, this definitely gets a star of approval from me. I also like the way it smells. Definitely a staple in my shower. I use a purple shampoo every single time I shampoo my hair. And if you're a blonde, I feel like you should too. All right, next product is Biolage's recovery packs. They definitely have a few of these. The green one was their like most hydrating pack of all. And now they came out with this one, which is in the white and blue packaging, which is the deep treatment. So basically this is great where your hair needs extra hydration. This is key. All of Biolage's products just smell heavenly. They're all really natural. They're vegan. Definitely one of the cleanest hair companies. I love them for that. They really focus on like being green and sustainable as well. And because this is a new product, you can get 15% off. I've left a link in the description box, as well as a link for every product that I will be mentioning today, of course. And I've also been wanting to do like a spa deep hair treatment kind of routine for you guys. Let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see. Leave a blue heart emoji down below if you would like to see that. I've definitely shown you my like hardcore kind of hairdresser's hair routine. I think doing one that's really just like hydrating and it's stimulating to the senses because it smells nice, kind of more of a like spa, like luxurious hair routine, because I definitely go between those two. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. All right, next product is by Kevin Murphy, another incredible brand that focuses on sustainability. And I just feel with, you know, the hair industry, we produce so much waste. So I love brands that are, you know, really focused and changing that. Not only that, but their packaging, super fun, super unique. And also their formulations are incredible. And I love that they have very unique products for every specific hair type. And this one is the smoothing conditioner for thick, coarse hair. Now, I would say my hair is between thick and medium, but any product that is marketed towards thick, coarse hair, it is going to really hydrate the hair. And I almost thought this is probably going to be a little too heavy for my hair. And one of my hairdresser friends was like, no, try it. It's incredible. And it absolutely is. I also think this one is great for ethnic, thicker, curly hair. That is definitely something I would like to include more in my videos and in my work. To be honest though, I do feel that the training we had was not diverse enough. I think we did, we learned to work on ethnic hair for like about 2 weeks, which I also think we should absolutely change. All right, and I have 2 products left and they're both oils. So first I'm going to talk about the Olaplex number 7. Yes, it is another Olaplex product, but Olaplex really did revolutionize the hair world when it does come to healing and restoring the hair. So Olaplex's number 7 Bonding Oil, absolutely a must. I always tell everyone that if you don't know what to add to your hair care routine, a good shampoo, a good conditioner, and a good oil, that should be the basis of everyone's hair care routine. I don't care if you're a guy, if you're a girl, if you color your hair, you don't. I think a good quality hair oil is essential for everyone. So this is an absolutely amazing one. Now for my second oil, this is for my blondes. I felt like the second I saw this bottle, I was like, oh, it's perfect for blondes. And that is what it's for. But it just, I want to go swimming in this bottle. So this is Reunite's Argan Oil, which you guys have heard me talk about always. If you don't know what to put on your hair to heal it, Argan Oil is one of the best, most complex and small moleculed oil that's actually going to penetrate the hair and heal the hair from the inside out. Sometimes we can spend so much money on products that just give the illusion of healthy hair because they're just sitting on top of the hair. Whereas when you use a higher quality product and high quality ingredients such as argan oil, it's actually going to seep deep into the hair. And because this is a leave-in treatment, that means that say you start using this product today, in about 30 days, your hair will in fact be healthier and in better condition than when you started. And that's the kind of product I feel I like to invest my money in, because that product is working for me basically overnight while I'm sleeping. Also has a really good kind of little squirt top, which I love for oils, because I feel like with oils sometimes that's kind of one of my little issues with this bottle, is that it's just like an olive oil bottle kind of top. And sometimes you can get a little bit too much. Also, Unite is so sweet to me that because I've mentioned them a few times on my Instagram, they're giving you guys a 20% off discount on all Unite products. So go ahead and check that out. All right, and now I'm going to be talking about two products that I feel don't help heal your hair. So the first product, and I know that this product is not advertised towards healing your hair, but it's more about the brand than the actual product, and it's Ouai products. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because Ouai is a luxury hair brand. It's amazing, but it is so extremely pricey. To be honest, the only good thing I feel about Ouai products is the way they smell. I've probably tried everything that they've made with the hopes that one product, I will just be like, that's my favorite, can't live without that, and then I can justify this brand. I still can't. Again, with the exception of how incredibly well all of their products smell, I really feel like it is just scent and packaging. I just feel like a hair care line that is this luxurious and you don't have a product that's going to heal my hair overnight, like, shame on you. This texturizing spray, it's probably about halfway, and I've had it for probably 2 years, which I think its life expectancy is 2 years. I think I just saw it. Anyway, I spray it sometimes after I've applied dry shampoo because I'm like, it's gonna make my hair smell incredible. And every time I do, I'm like, my hair feels like absolute crap. It doesn't feel nice. I feel like I can't run my fingers through it. It gives it kind of a dull feeling. Also, I don't think the ingredients in, at least this bottle specifically, are at all very good for the hair. So, not to just poke at one brand, but the whole point of this video is to really bring light to products that actually do something for your hair versus so many products and packaging that can be so deceiving, and it's really not doing anything for your hair. All right, now the last product that I'm going to talk about, I actually don't have here because it is one of those items that I so hard don't believe in it that I don't have it. So it is an Olaplex product, and it is the number 3. This is the number 5 that I talked about earlier, which I do love, but I wanted to talk a little bit about the number 3. And the amount of times that I have explained this in my consultations is the reason why I want to bring it up in this video, because I feel like even if 10 people hear this, I feel like I've gotten to explain it to a few more people. So Olaplex's number 3 was meant to be Olaplex's first at-home treatment. Olaplex step number 1 and 2 is meant to be mixed in with color and used by a professional. So if you don't follow the directions and don't use it correctly, it can almost harm your hair more than it is doing good for the hair. So because they realized people were looking for even more hydration, more at-home treatments, they made the number 3. Now, it's not that I think the number 3 is bad, but the number 3 just gets so overused and so incorrectly used that I've seen it hurt more hair than it has helped. Number 3 is actually a very potent product. It is not a mask. I think everyone thinks that it's this hydrating mask that you can just, sleep in and put on your hair. That is not at all what it is. I think once Olaplex realized this years ago, I think, don't quote me on this, I believe they reformulated the product a little bit to cater to anyone that was using it that way. And then I do feel that in a way it's kind of like not the same product. So I do have to say the product used correctly, amazing. Now when you don't use it correctly and you just take matters into your own hands and put it in double the time or leave it in for hours, to where it not only hurts your hair, but it also affects how a hairdresser can then do your hair, it's hard for me to get on board with that product. So again, nothing against the brand. I think that they've done incredible things for not just hair, but the hair industry. I will forever have, you know, respect for Olaplex, but that number 3, unless you know how to use it and unless you've had a professional explain to you how to use it, just don't. There are a plethora of other things you could be using to help heal your hair that's not going to hurt it. All right, guys, that is it. I really wanted to keep this video short and sweet and concise, and I hope I haven't overwhelmed you too much. And I hope that one of these products at least inspires you to maybe change out one of the products that you're currently using to something hopefully a little better for your hair. All right, everyone, sending you a big virtual hug from us here at home. Hope everyone is staying safe and hope everyone's enjoying summer. I know the summer's going to be a little different, but doesn't mean it can't be amazing anyway. Oh, also, I wanted to let you know, it's only been, what, 5-6 months? I will be uploading a new vlog video on my vlog channel. I know, crazy. I started this channel like right before the pandemic hit, and I thought, you know, I'm gonna bring you more behind the scenes, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, like what are they gonna see? Me in my pajamas getting ready for my virtual consultations and then going to bed, you know? But it seems like, especially here in California, we are going to be quarantined for quite a bit longer, so I figured why not just show you, you know, my day. So the first video is going to be a part 1, part 2 series, and it's basically going to just show you me going through my day, but along with that, I'll be answering some of your questions that you guys asked me about a week ago on Instagram. So stay tuned for that, and I'm really leaving this time. Bye, guys.